Okay, this is for setting up the laser cutter in DT5. You can see it's a slightly different laser cutter. Make sure that you log on first, just to let the computer warm up a bit in case it's not. This one has actually been logged on, but it's logged. You need to sign in again, so I'm going to just put that password in DT user 2016 exclamation mark. Okay, and there it is. Now there's lots of windows there already open, so I'm just going to close all of those windows. All right, like that, and I might even close 2D design. Importantly, when you first start this, you need to open up a new 2D design file, and that is because this is now the set to the width of the bed of our laser cutter. Then I'm going to take my USB stick, and I'm just going to put that. Now, whilst I'm getting ready there, I'm going to turn on the laser cutter here. If that doesn't turn on, do see a teacher because it just needs resetting at the plug over there, but it's easy. Once that has, you can see it always kind of just takes a bit of time to home, so I'm not going to turn the laser on yet. I'm going to wait for that just to home, and whilst it's doing that, I'm going to take my piece of acrylic and I'm going to just open up and put my piece of acrylic in. Now, although we would usually put up at the top left, to set the autofocus in this machine, you want to place it underneath this laser part here, all right? And if you can't fit it underneath there, then you need to just press the motion down button, and that just lower, oh, no, that moved it that way. Here, this is a table bed here, so this is the button you want to bring down, and that will just lower the bed until you can put your piece of material underneath. And then it's this button here to autofocus. You press that button, the screen says, are you sure? Press the up button and then the tip, and you can see the bed is coming up there and then coming down to the right focus. It will say it's finished, okay? Then move your piece of acrylic over here, and you can see work display. So you've got your acrylic on the left hand side, and you can see work display. I'm just going to press tick to bring it in so I can see there's no files in there. I'm going to close that and turn that on at the laser here, so that has time to warm up whilst I get my file ready. Again, you may decide that you've already got a 2D design file and you'll add, or you may import your file if it's a DXF file, and you can just go down, find your USB card. There we go. I'm going to pick on this one here. All right, and it's important when you're doing a DXF file that you click on millimeters and then click OK. All right, I'm going to bring that up to the top there to top left so that it's in line with my piece. Now, little tip here, I'm just going to cut myself a little square first to check that it goes all the way through. And if I highlight that square, when I go to print, that's the only thing that will cut. Now press Shift or Control P to bring up the printer. It's called LaserCam A3 Plus. You must click Properties here, and you want to change this, if it's not already, to 100%. So if that was down here, you'd scroll that up to 100% or type it in there, and this to be 1%. So that's already set there. And then if you do change it at all, you must press Setup. Click OK, and then you can just click OK here. That sends it across. You can now see there's a flower there. You can see the one. And you can just press this kind of button that looks like a play button here. And if the laser has heated up, it will just cut through. And you can see it's just cutting through that square to check that it's gone through. If you see any flames, make sure you turn off the laser or turn off the machine straight away. Once that's over, you can take your machine product out, and there it is. Now, one last tip is make sure you leave your piece of your cover on there so that it doesn't get scratched until you need to use it.